Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to order on Swiggy app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Swiggy app on your phone. Once it loads up, you'll need to enter your delivery address. After adding your address, you can choose what type of order you want to place. Swiggy offers different options. Instamart, which lets you buy groceries, and dine out or food delivery for restaurant meals. Let's say you want to order food, tap on the food delivery option. Next, browse through the categories and select what you'd like to eat. For example, let's choose burgers. You'll then see a list of restaurants offering burgers. Select one, such as Burger King or any other. Once you tap on it, the restaurant's menu will open. From there, pick the item you want to order, check its price, and then tap Add followed by Add item to include it in your cart. After adding all the items you want, tap View Cart. You'll be taken to the checkout page. You'll see an option to apply coupons if you have any. This can help you get discounts. Next, select or confirm your delivery location. Before finalizing your order, you can choose the delivery type, add a tip for the driver, or include any special instructions for the restaurant. At the bottom, you'll see the total amount you need to pay. After reviewing all the details, tap Proceed to complete your order. And that's it. So that is how you can order on Swiggy app. So that's all for this video. Thanks.